For 10 years, I've been using the Logitech Z906 as my main speaker system. This is my very long-term review. It's a surround sound system with 5 satellite speakers and 1 subwoofer, so 5.1. The price is around $300 and there's a link to it in the video description below. The satellite speakers are front, left and right, center, and rear, left and right. I have this speaker system connected to my PC, but you can connect it to almost anything because it has multiple inputs and you can even have multiple devices connected at the same time. I keep the speakers right here on my desk, but you can also mount them to a wall or to separate stands. On the floor right here in the corner of my living room, I have the subwoofer. The package also comes with this remote, but as you can see, I haven't even unwrapped it from the plastic because I keep the control console right here on my desk within arm's reach. Here's how to use it. Press the power button on the left-hand side, and with the second button here, you can switch between the different inputs. With the next button, you can upmix a stereo signal so that it uses more of the speakers in the system. To control the volume, just turn the wheel in the middle, and when you do, additional LEDs will light up to make it easier for you to see the volume that you've chosen. After a while, those additional LEDs will switch off. Next to the volume button, we have the mute button, and the LEDs on the volume wheel will start flashing when the mute is active. The last button on the right will allow you to set the relative volume of the subwoofer, the rear speakers, and the center speaker. Once you've selected the speaker, just turn the wheel to set that unit's volume. On the right-hand side of the control console, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. And this is super convenient. Because I have the control console on my desk, this headphone jack is much nearer than the front panel connector on my desktop computer, which is under my table. The Logitech Z906 is an excellent speaker system. It has worked flawlessly for me for almost 10 years. It sounds amazing, it looks great, and it is super easy to use. So if you want high quality surround sound for gaming, for television, or for movies, I highly recommend the Logitech Z906. Learn more about availability and pricing with the link in the description below the video. For more great product reviews, click or tap the screen right here. My name is Markus Seppälä. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.